Hello everyone, welcome back to QClick's channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add users in Mailchimp 2025 step by step. Once you're inside your profile, you have a lot of different selections here. The one we want today is settings. And in that drop-down menu from settings, you will select users. And from users, you will click invite a user. In the email address section, you're going to enter info@apirosmarketing.com. And we are going to go down and click select admin. This will allow us full access to go in and develop out your drip campaigns or your automations, whatever we've discussed. Then you can let Mailchimp generate a generic message to send to us, or you can type one in. It's whichever you prefer. And then you will click send invite. This will send us an email notification that you've added us to your account, and then we can access it and start building out the campaigns without having your personal login information. So this is primarily used
Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.